Okay, well, I feel like since I read Mountaineer in one shot, um, I should go to the next story. Then maybe after that one, I'll go back and reread the first three again, because I'm sure my recall is terrible, because that's just how my life works. Okay, but that said, I don't even know the subject of the next story, so let's get our little tag here and move to the next story. Oh, this one is called The Secret. Okay. So, I have literally no idea what this is about other than it's about a secret. So, we'll see how far we get today. 僕は人に言えない秘密があります。I'm not a person who has secrets, maybe? Oh, I have a secret I can't tell other people. Okay. Tell me more. この秘密を人に話してはいけません。The secret... Something about telling other people. I should not talk about it to anyone. Okay? 多分このアパート多分something this apartment にこのアパートに住めなくなる住めなくなるでしょう I probably will not be able to live in this apartment. だから大家さんにバレてはいけません。I'm not sure. So I should not let my landlord know about it. What is... この秘密は僕が飼っている猫です。The secret 僕が飼っている Something about the secret. I want to say the secret is that he has a cat, but that's totally a guess based on knowing the words secret and cat. The secret is my cat. Okay. 猫の名前はトラさんです。The cat's name is Tora. Tora-san. Okay. 黄と黒のしまもなのです。トラさんと名付けました。No idea. Since Tora-san has the black and yellow striped pattern, I named her Tora-san. Reasonable. I don't get the context, but reasonable. 僕のアパートはペンとペン No, it's not ペンとペットを飼っていません。飼ってはいけません。飼ってはいけません。Something about pets can't live in this apartment. In my apartment, pets are not allowed. 大家さんは動物がI think it's 子供 It's a kanji. And there's no furigana. 子供きじゃないかもしれません。The landlord. Something about the landlord and children. Oh, nope. The landlord probably does not like animals. That kanji has nothing to do with children. 大家さんは少し怖いので、トラさんはsome kanjiにしてほがいいです。The landlord, something about Tora-san. Landlord is scary. Something about Tora-san. Maybe they would make Tora-san go, because I don't know. Also, the landlord is a little scary. So I should keep Tora-san a secret. Okay. Well, I just want you to know that I'm done for tonight. But I saw on the next page there is onomatopoeia for meow meow, and I'm really excited. Look, wait, ready? Yeah, I'm terrible at holding things. Oh my god. Meow meow. So, this time tomorrow maybe, or sometime tomorrow, we'll get to read about meow meow. I'm gonna guess that Tora-san does some meow meowing and it does not go well for her being a secret. Okay, anyway, ciao!